This is Donna. I'm going to show you the treble crochet stitch or the triple crochet. It's a very tall stitch. I'm using oversized hook and yarn so you can see what's going on. So for the treble crochet, chain 4 more than you want your row to be. So I have 9 chain stitches. So my row will end up being 5. So I'm going to yarn over twice, 2 times. And now I'm going to skip the first 4 stitches next to the hook. Have your chain stitches facing you so you see the V's. I'm going to skip 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to insert hook in the 5th chain stitch. Just going to pick up that top piece of the V, yarn over and pull through. You see how I have 4 yarns on there? Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. So yarn over and pull through 2. So there's 3 sets of pulling through 2. And now I'm going to mark this first stitch. It's very helpful so you don't accidentally drop it on the way back. And that's particularly important if you're using a smaller hook and yarn. Things can really get tight. So yarn over twice, insert your hook in the top of the V of the next chain, yarn over. Now pull through 2, 3 sets of 2, 2 and 2. Okay, yarn over twice, insert in the top of the V of the chain stitch, yarn over, pull through, 2, 2, 2. Yarn over twice, lots of 2s in this one. Pick up the top of the V of the chain, yarn over, pull through, 2, 2, 2. Last one, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, 2, 2, 2. There, nice big stitch, especially since I'm using big yarn and a big hook. Now turn your work counterclockwise. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one, pull up the hook just a tad, not hugely, but just a little bit. Just make that a little looser. And our last chain, this is going to be our first stitch of the next row. So the first stitch, again, we're going to mark it. So mark that last chain. So on the way back, we don't just accidentally drop it. And if you don't feel like you need to do that, that's perfectly fine. So again, yarn over twice. And now I'm not going to work in this first stitch next to the hook. I'm not going to work in that stitch that's attached to our height stitch. I'm going to skip to the second one, insert hook, pick up both pieces of the V, yarn over, pull through, and just like the prior row, 2, 2, 2. Yarn over twice, insert, pick up both pieces of the V of the stitch, yarn over, pull through, 2, 2, 2. And always, when you pull your hook through, have your hook facing towards your work so it glides. Yarn over twice, insert, pull through, 2, 2, 2. Okay, and now my last stitch, which is marked with my little marker, and you can just use a colored paper clip, nothing fancy. Yarn over twice, insert, pick up both pieces, insert, pull through, 2, 2, 2. So now I should have 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to make sure when you're new you count the stitches when you first start doing your rows so you're not dropping them by accident. Normally the stitch won't be so airy. It's because I'm using a bigger hook and a bigger weight yarn, a heavier weight yarn. So I hope this is helpful to get you started on your treble crochet stitch. Thank you.